What if I told you that right now, there could be a cat that's both alive and dead at the same time? No, this isn't a zombie cat story, it's one of the most famous thought experiments in quantum physics. Welcome to the mind-bending world of Schrödinger's cat. Hi curious listeners. In 1935, physicist Erwin Schrödinger came up with a thought experiment that would change how we think about reality forever. He wanted to show how weird quantum mechanics really is, and he decided to use a cat to do it. Here's what Schrödinger proposed: take a cat, don't worry, this is just imaginary, put it in a sealed box. Add a device containing a tiny bit of radioactive material, a Geiger counter to detect decay, a hammer, a vial of poison. If the radioactive material decays, it triggers the hammer. The hammer breaks the poison vial. The poison would affect the cat. Now here's where it gets strange. According to quantum mechanics, the radioactive material is in a superposition. It has both decayed and not decayed until we look at it. Therefore, the cat is theoretically both alive and dead. This state continues until someone opens the box to check. This thought experiment helps us understand quantum superposition. The role of observation in quantum mechanics. The difference between quantum and classical physics. The mysteries of the quantum world. No cats were ever harmed in this thought experiment. Schrödinger created this paradox not to confuse us, but to help us understand the strange world of quantum physics. Sometimes the most bizarre ideas can lead to our greatest scientific breakthroughs. Quantum. The smallest possible unit of any physical property, relating to the atomic and subatomic world. Superposition. A principle where a quantum system can exist in multiple states at once until observed. Paradox. A seemingly absurd or contradictory statement that may be true. Radioactive decay. The process by which unstable atoms lose energy by releasing radiation. Geiger counter. A device that detects and measures radiation. Observation. The act of measuring or watching something, which in quantum mechanics affects the system. Classical physics. The physics of everyday objects, following Newton's laws. Thought experiment. A hypothesis or scenario used for the purpose of thinking through its consequences. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-bending mathematical mysteries. Leave a comment telling us what paradox you'd like us to explore next.